I just said dance. Rosie, you better watch again. Rosie, you forget that time me. Rosie, she ever dance. Rosie, Lord of mercy, as I live in his hand, he show need no. I live in she give me issue. I didn't worry, me no worry, no worry. I didn't worry, me no worry, no worry. Auntie, as how now, as how.
Not be the same reggae. Is everything not regularized?
Oh, work.
Siminami.
Siminami, work. Okay, Siminami. I should say this because of this Rihanna video. Some old mama there for house. When they look, hey, we go do this thing.
Siminami, work. It's in the name it's everything na.
No, that's how we roll your stamina.
Like
when you don't know anything in the song, just do many. Any. You understand? Just the trick style.
You understand? That's why somebody will come out and sing, but Auntie, CD, tell her to come out, CD, tell her, this.
We don't understand anything, but we just don't say it. Song, how did you write that thing?
My brother, no.
You should not be deaf and dumb, right? Like that deaf and dumb, right, for Lil Kesh for that thing. Let's say, any which way. Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome on top of the Party Show with your correct baby girl, Mayolistic _ of balls, baby. That's how we roll, you know, that's how we do it.
Hello there, handsome. Hello there, gorgeous.
Hello. Yeah. So now, they say make we show one video quickly where they need to people see. You understand?
Why?
They have to see it quickly. Yeah, make una show am.
Tell us, please.
Una blood, na still based on the singing level.
Oh, really?
It's a musical something.
Come on, let's go.
Watch it.
To fall down. What?
Even Miley Cyrus needs to sing Igbo song
What
to say,
to sing? Rattling ball.
Oh, Chimo.
By who? Miley Cyrus. I for me like a wave. Maybe rattling ball.
Chimo.
The girls have cried. Miley Cyrus cried.
He cried. She had to speak. She cried to Igbo song.
No, you can't murder my song.
It's not fair. She has fear.
I will sue you for electrical injustice.
She has feel the murder already.
What?
Yeah. If your song you hear like that, you can sue them for breach of humanity against inhumanity.
Oh, but it's called ear damage.
Oh.
Simple and short.
That is
brain scattering.
Noise pollution.
What happened? It's almost as if they're doing fuel queue in her brain.
Oh, God. No. It's a psychiatric something.
No. Rattling ball.
She does not have good friends. She don't get frugal.
I have special number, sir. Rattling ball. I will be like a rattling ball. Back.
Hey! There was a big background somewhere. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll go for yarn I beg.
Wow.
Breaking ball. Yay. Chimo. Ew.
All right, back to the matter.
Close and open.
Meet the incredible Jake Olsen, a completely blind college football player. Almost Simina, you understand?
I didn't see you now.
I be like CIA with all retire. Or the way they sack.
You be like Tush Okada get.
Why Okada? You would have even said a tricycle.
A tricycle. No, we don't have Okada. Don't they?
A tricycle.
Don't Tush it up. Don't Tush it up.
It's called Keke Marua.
Keke. No, not Keke. Okada. The 2 leg own.
No. It's called a bike.
A bike called.
Yeah.
She say for already they call him Meja.
Meja. Mojani.
They call her for those states. Meja.
All right, so this particular guy, Jake Olsen, when he be 8 months old, now he then discover saying get cancer. Wow. One very rare cancer, what do they call cancer of the retina. Now this thing they affecting eye, so they had to come out in left eye, then come out completely, and they do series of chemo and all of those things, and so it make it for no spread. But unfortunately, as he be 8 years old, they tell him say, "Oga, no verse, we may need to come out the second eye." You understand? So as me and you, they talk, so he's completely blind because the guys do the surgery. But The guy na very, no, 12 years old, now then come out the second one. Forgive me, please. The guy na very die-hard fan. Die-hard fan of one particular footballer. Now, because of the die-hard fan when him be for the footballer, you can say, I beg. I know so I won't come on my eye. But before I come on my eye, make I go watch the Notre Dame game where they won't play.
Yeah.
I beg. The night before in surgery, say I beg, make I go watch him. Now, to even come make him worse, this guy, because the coach say, man, this guy na really die-hard fan of this football. He can say, okay, our practice, all our practices, whether you blind or not, all our practices, all our games, all our dinners, go they follow us go. As we they speak, so the guy they play. Now very good player. Even though in they follow them as a honorary member, you understand, like replacement and all of those things. Then, but in the play and in the do and with in sense and in smell and I think sound. Yeah.
Yeah, so that means they don't come out in the 2 eye now.
Yes.
Yeah.
But they play well.
Well, last.
He said this is an opportunity, and this is an opportunity I will never forget. I will always be grateful for.
At the end of the day, that means, you see, everything is determination and passion. Everything for this life is a determination and passion kind of move.
The passion
because the guy now,
that is the guy now, see him.
Even without in eyes, even without in 2 eyes, he still they do what he want to take in life. They do.
That's him.
You can't get 2 eyes. What have you done?
Who you help?
Eh?
Waiting who your 2 eye don't help.
Some people get 2 eyes. They never even feel do what they want to do with their life. This one now, they don't come out in 2 eyes, but he still they do what he still want to do. Understand me now? So please, you have no excuse as a human being, as a somebody who's outside there is watching these particular clips. You have no excuse on yourself.
Yeah.
You must go outside there and achieve everything achievable before you come and exit from this place called universe.
This is an advice to the human beings.
Yes.
No eyes, you do it.
Yes.
Eyes, he didn't do it. Word of wisdom.
Word of wisdom.
Think about it.
Think about it. Think about it. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, so back to my own gist. You see the ceremonial gist. Wow.
Okay, you feel Abi. You feel I'm Joe, Bades 007.
Show me. What are the show Bades today? They post for everybody. You see the show by your share the one where they take the break for Yadi. Never reach me.
No verse. I'm going to be Lord. Tó bá kàn lè bínú lásán. Tó bá tẹ̀ lọ bínú lásán. Lord, máa dá gbogbo lẹ́rú ni. 007 James bàbá gbì bàbá gbà. Ọlọ́run ìyá bàbá ẹ̀ calm down. Àwọn àti lọ́wọ́ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ yín bàbá. Ẹ̀ calm down. Bàbá calm down. Bàbá solo. Bàbá breathe in. Breathe in. Bàbá breathe out. Ó ṣe bá dẹ̀.
Orí ẹ pé.
Yáàgà.
Orí ẹ pé. Yáàgà. Ìwọ náà yáàgà. Yeah. Okay, now. So my own gist now. This one I have to see for the Oyibo place for the Missouri. Now this particular young guy. One another verse say they wear glasses. One does do hip hop today. One swag. Now part of our swag for the day.
It's called a
He say yes. You know we are hopping the tempo in our looks. You understand me now? So any which way. Not be saying they do.
No. Today we are on the andele, mommy, iya. What's popping today?
So this 9-year-old boy, when in mama will be Ash Bonham.
His mother is a lady of the night.
Yes, lady of the night. But for years,
she's a sex commercial worker.
Exactly. You know that's still tush. She's I'm a sex commercial worker.
She's an escort.
Tush. Escorts, Some girls say they be escorts. Different names they don't give the thing now. You understand? They get complimentary card, they get website. So they're upping their game. You as person when they do the right thing. You say up your game. All right? So now this particular Smalley, at 5 years old, his mama go, abandon her. Because she they do her own pion waka. I cannot come and carry extra grace on my head. She go abandon the guy somewhere. And her own papa now we can't give the woman belly. He did prison. Imagine how a person will get this kind of 2 parents.
It happens a lot. A lot. 1 day prison. The other one they do pium. The pikin now we no beg me they carry a come word though. They can't abandon them. Last, one other babe somewhere else can't hear. Her name na Donna Davis. She can't hear about this boy. His name na Tristan Jacobson. She can't say she for like adopt this boy, but really
she can't carry the boy enter.
Boy.
See how the boy fine now.
Cute black boy.
No, the result of two craze. 2 craze just together, born fine boy. God is wonderful. God is a wonderful God. Last now, Donny Davis Can't say, okay, she would like to take care of this small boy, you. But, you know, she can't take care of him, take care of him. But she never legally adopt him because she not get the money to adopt him. But the boy like the woman. He said he go like me, the woman raise her, make the woman take care of him. You know what this Molly do? He just open one small shop opposite the woman house. Lemonade, to sell lemonade.
Oh, it sells lemonade.
She can't say, the boy say he must raise money for selling that lemonade to give that woman to come adopt him legally. You dey see where Smolly head enter. The boy now 9 years old. One weekend, he just carry lemonade come outside. People come, they hear the gist everywhere. If you see where people come, they come. Some they buy lemonade of even $100. They buy. They be need about $5,000 to adopt the boy legally. Yeah. But at the end of everything, based on humanitarian waka, what people come they do, they come make about $14,000. Now be nearly triple what they be need. Yeah. Because the small boy decided to just go and say, this woman must adopt me, and I place my passion inside this thing. I mean, anything you want to do for this life, you can achieve it. See this Smolly now, 9 years old boy, fine boy.
You know this song? I believe I can stand. I believe I can. I believe I believe I can. I believe I can. I believe I can. And that is what I do believe.
King.
Dance for that film.
What
happened? Why would I be like this? We dey talk of better thing as person they take believe in himself to adopt something. You they do up and down.
Na dog we dey play. Na dog we dey talk about.
Which kind thing be this? Na donkey this one.
Wetin dey worry all of na for back that place?
Wetin dey worry una?
Oya, go break, Jare. You are very violent and royal.
Come on. It's shocking.
It's shocking life. Now small thing spirit for you come and do.
Hello, sir. You are a thief.
You are a thief.
You are a what? A thief.
Every day for a thief free, one day for the owner. I like as that guy just come put electric. Maybe we could do that kind of thing for this country.
Yes. So to find your phone, just
put electric.
Activate the electric shock for inside.
Gonna play, they follow you, play.
You don't even get mouth to talk.
You got that one. Is it I got one day?
Okay, make we do yarn the yarn. I want give video before funny video. Which one I want do? Make we continue yarn the yarn because we still get story. No, not true.
Una wait for house. No mind your wife. She's been unprofessional. Yes, that. Crowd there for back of this camera now. We all of us we debate.
I don't really know what they want us to do.
It's a general kind of something. It's sometimes they do different things, Hey, come on for that place. Back to us. So Maya, where are we? For a gist, this one. No, talk your own. Be professional.
You don't do 2 time.
Talk your own. Be professional. Okay.
This particular guy, he make close to about $100,000 US.
Yes.
On what? Drawing on bananas. Inside when he first start, people they laugh and say, what do they always do? They draw on top banana. But he just try them one time, paint on top banana, make them look good, put them on top websites, and people they buy them like mad. He talk say when he first start, he don't even know. Say no, say the thing go be like this. See. Yeah. I'm telling you, on top bananas. And people they buy them, they frame them, they keep them. So it be like say the banana get life. Say you just the do and we play. In fact, you feel even order. Tell them the kind of design where you want for your own banana.
Wow.
You could do it for you. So as me and you they talk, so those way they laugh him now, they envy him because he's on his way to making a whooping $100,000 US. He sells each banana for $9.99. That's $9.99 per banana. So when he works on about 75 bananas in a day. So after he don't work on them, and then he go just to paint, he enjoys it.
No, definitely not.
So it is sweet him. Once he don't finish, you go put them in plastic wraps, take them to post office to ship to customers.
Now, I know some places where if you go ship this kind of plantain, you're not going to reach destination.
It's banana.
Sorry, banana. You're not going to reach destination. Maybe not the peel, then go reach. But the main
people are making money through funny means. It's amazing.
My dear, now for some kind of place, Now draw one now for this country now. People go actually only are you okay?
Somebody go collect and chop the banana and give you back the bag.
As in, only your day. They say, are we a monkey? What's wrong to you? All right, so for my own G's, quickly. Now, small girl, 9 years old Jasmine Brittany, you know, growing up, she been get some kind of issues. She be the waka one day, and one guy called the text for him. For now, I know they good, I beg. People then when they chat, when they drive in a bad thing, because if you keep person and if you kill yourself, all right? Please try as much as possible to make you know the true kind for that kind of badness. Now, when she be 9 years old, she did waka from nowhere. Person with the text for phone just can't hit him. Accidents can't happen. So she now they can't rush and go hospital. But everything can't be like say she no get any physical damage. But last doctors can't talk say she no go fit to waka again. So on a good day, person wey that kind of gist about himself suppose go house go dey come crying. Oh, my life has finished, and many things. But this particular youngie, Jasmine, she can't say okay. Say now when she be 26 years old, she can't reason say, man, look, I'm not go pity myself. I'm not go cry upon it. I'm not go come one place, come the fun pity party. Me, I go try to make myself look beautiful enough to be okay with myself. She can't turn to her own personal ginger, can't ginger herself. She can't go collect all her baby idols them. Barbie, Britney Spears, Disney princess them. And she can carry everything. Can they paint her face to resemble them? Can they, put her look to resemble them? Last, they can talk say at least Britney spent about $15,000 on top shoes, clothes, and beauty supplies for the past 2 years. 2 years long to at least spend that kind of money, but she do everything just to give herself ginger and motivate herself to look beautiful and not to pity herself. You understand? So, well, one way or the other, even though the money is one kind of big thing, but, I mean, you can go to any length to make yourself happy. If you
that means she don't go fit come out except she looks like a particular doll icon. And she always wear heels, even though she no feel waka. So that means that no matter what anybody, because she she cannot even breathe on her own. They had to attach something to her neck so that she can breathe. So she they try to talk, say no matter what anybody do, no matter what anybody talk, no matter her disability, she's a princess and she will forever believe herself to be like that. And she's 26 years old now.
Bam. So she don't overcome her. All right, ladies and gentlemen, quickly, we're going to do this one sharp. Laugh the laugh right about now. Quickly, laugh the laugh.
I know you got to be hot in that shirt.
People they shout.
There should totally be something like that here.
Serious.
Totally, completely.
Serious.
Come to Twitter thing today like that.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, jump on top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy and on every other platform at Wazobia Paddy, okay? For the station at Wazobia TV NG, go YouTube or you go see him, go Facebook or you go see him, find Paddy, you go see us for those levels, all right? But on top Twitter, follow us, relate, let us know what's up, all right? Let's hear from you, ladies and gentlemen, our beautiful people and our wonderful, awesome viewers, okay? At Wazobia Paddy on top Twitter. From here, we'll say bye-bye to everybody. Love yourself and just make sure say you continue to do good outside there. All right? Ladies and gentlemen, now peace out from Ogbolo. Anoskov, Mayolistic Mayowa, the one way they do the interpretation. Peace, y'all. If you know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.